Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer ownership of Google Calendar. This is useful when we need to hand over control to another person, such as a team member or colleague. Now let's get started. On our Google Calendar dashboard, for example, here is a sample meeting. If we want to click this meeting and transfer the owner, we can see that we are currently the owner. All we need to do is click this edit event. Next, we should click More Actions at the upper part of the dashboard. Here, we can change the owner. For example, we would like to transfer the ownership of this event. Now, change the owner. When the new person accepts the invitation, they will become the owner of this event. And that's how we transfer ownership of a Google Calendar event. With this simple process, we can smoothly pass control and keep everything organized.